slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Myia, and I've been going through depression, but we are not gonna let that get us down anymore. We are on a journey to change, and the change starts right here in my son's room. Depression, mental illness, stuff like that, that's nothing to joke with, but it's also not an excuse for, to myself, it's not an excuse for the way I have been living lately. I've been really trying to dig myself out of this little pit. My first next step, even if this isn't posted, this is a video to the future me, just saying at least we got up, we did something today, and we said, I love you, Myia. We did it. Day one, we love ourselves. We always gonna be here for us, so we need to start acting like it. So I'm gonna start with my son's room. Let me preface this by saying he's 4 years old. We went through a lot of stuff. Like, he wasn't around me for 2 years, so like he went through a lot of stuff that I don't even know about. And I just got him back in November of last year, so like it's almost been a year actually since I got my baby back. Proud of myself, I'm proud of you, Myia. We are proud of each other because we did that, and now we gotta keep it up because this is crazy. This is crazy. So I'm potty trained, and I'm trying my best to get him back to it, but of course we both know that we haven't been doing that much, really. I don't know why we haven't been able to peel ourselves out of bed to just do the smallest little tasks, like give him a shower, give ourselves a shower, real meals, cleaning up. I was a firm believer of I don't have to be in his room, so like I don't care how his room looks, but his room's a disaster. Absolute disaster. Now I'm starting to care. Definitely starting to care. One thing's for sure though, I gotta get a dresser for him. I gotta get somewhere to put his clothes and his toys. Video 2 might be us actually doubling down and ordering stuff for his room and stuff for the house that I can off my Afterpay app. We're gonna put our music on though. We got our '2000s playlist from 2000 to 2020.
I know this is a total mess, and honestly, I don't care about people judging me because I've been judging myself.
Let's get to
like I said,
it.
my son is on the spectrum and he has really bad ADHD, so he is not fully potty trained yet, and I could literally go cook and come back and there's shit on the carpet that he's just standing in. So that's the brown stuff on the floor, and his room gets this bad because I work a lot, so like when I come home I'm tired, want to give him a bath, and most of the time he's not even in his room, honestly. That's just like his toys and empty food stuff because I let him eat in his room. I know this is horrible. Once again, I don't care about people judging me because I'm judging myself. Actually just got done crying recording this video, but yeah, sorry it looks like this, but it'll never get like this again. I need to get him a new dresser because I know that thing is horrible. It's backwards because he took all the drawers out and just destroyed them, and now he's writing on it and smearing stuff all over it. No, that's not poop, the brown stuff on the dresser, but he does smear like food and stuff on it. So yeah, this is me trying to get back to myself by cleaning up my house.
Oh, this is a good time for me to remove YouTube off of his TV too, because it started off where he was just, you know, watching numbers and letters and stuff, and I've just been hearing some weird stuff coming from his TV and I don't like it, so I'm gonna take YouTube off. Let me just take off all the ones that he's not gonna use.
What you see me doing now is just basically throwing his toys in one pile and then like the trash in the other. I like to clean up in piles, so like I'll take out the trash and put it in one pile, shoes in one, clothes in one, toys in the other. But first I'll like sweep it all into a pile and then separate the piles so I know where to put it up at. It's weird, I know. Now I'm throwing all like everything that touched the poop and stuff away. I saved some of his toys and like washed them, but a lot of that stuff had to be thrown away just because no, just absolutely no.
Okay, here's an update. I gotta fix his bed, I know. Floor, he needs like a toy chest thing. I don't have anywhere to put his toys and his shoes, so that's just like the file there. Yes, he writes on my walls. It's already gonna be taking out the deposit. I had to flip his dresser because he used to pee in it, literally. Like, I don't know what to do. And I'm gonna get rid of it. He needs a dresser right now, for sure. Stuffy's over there. But yeah, that's the